Government today began carrying out random screening of travelers as one of the measures of identifying suspected cases. Now, the country entered what has been termed as the most crucial week, where the number of positive cases is expected to rise. It will be a tall order for the government, but traders and their customers in Gikomba and Muthurwa markets, which were fumigated, appear to be oblivious of the threat the country faces, carrying on with business as usual. Chemutai Goin reports that the government may even have more difficulty trying to enforce the guidelines when it comes to operations of PSVs.
As the country approaches the most crucial week that will mark 14 days since the first positive case was reported, the government moved to implement measures to curb the spread of the virus. Despite warnings against congregating in crowded spaces and maintaining social distance of at least 1.5 meters, it appears the public has thrown caution to the wind. As health officials moved in to fumigate the Gikomba and Muthurwa markets, it was business as usual as traders and their clients traded goods and money. Health officials, however, went on to spray every crevice in the shopping stalls, vehicles, motorbikes, maize shelling machines, carts and trolleys, and even ladders were not spared. Literally everything within sight was fumigated.
Kwanza tulifurahi sana kwa kuona serikali yetu inatujali. Na vyenye serikali yetu inatujali, hata sisi tunajaribu kujali wenzetu.
Wananchi tusaidiane, sisi wote ndio tujaribu kupunguza hii ugonjwa.
They also took time to educate the public on basic protective measures, which include public and personal hygiene to curb the spread of the virus. What was notable, however, was that the entrance and exit of Gikomba market, small tanks with taps and soap had been placed to facilitate hand washing. Health officials also visited various matatu termini, taking the temperatures of travelers in random screening to ensure no one from the capital transports the disease to unsuspecting people up country. In Garissa County, every traveller was required to take the test before boarding public transport vehicles, the destination notwithstanding. However, it appeared the enforcement of the directive requiring public service vehicles to carry 60% of passengers to encourage social distancing will require a little nudge. Some operators decrying the losses they are bound to suffer.
Mimi ningeomba tu tuongeze fare kama tutabeba watu 16. Unajua pia hii janga imetupata, si mchezo. Watu wanakufa pia, lazima wakuje na strategy. Juu mafuta ni ile bei, na uwezi beba watu na ile bei kama unabeba watu wachache.
While emphasis was placed on PSVs, a crucial sector had been ignored. While many travelers used buses and matatus, a lot more used motorbikes and tuk-tuks to get to their destinations. Directives guiding the operations of these were not announced. With the government yet to release the results of samples collected for more than 3 suspected cases, whose results were due Saturday, it's literally not leaving anything to chance.
It is important that individuals are also, as the government is preparing itself for the worst, individuals too must prepare themselves for the worst.
Meanwhile, the Kenya Red Cross Secretary General Dr. Asha Mohammed, who together with Kibra Member of Parliament Imran Okoth carried out community sensitization, which will be decentralized to different parts of the country, urged Kenyans to heed to the directives to combat the spread of the virus. Since the outbreak of COVID-19 in December, Kenya has so far registered 7 positive cases, with many more quarantined in different facilities as the outcome of their tests are awaited. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV, Nairobi.